This video is only for information regarding the free space moon trip for all over the world people, so watch the whole video till the end for information. Hello everyone, welcomes back to my channel AJ Digital World. I can suggest affiliate marketing, digital marketing tools, and also suggest the world's best websites to earn money online, and I can share information regarding the world's best affiliate program that you can earn money online. To join, link in description box. So if you interested, so please subscribe to my channel and stay with me. I hope you are enjoying videos and also implement this knowledge into your online journey. I provide full information on the tools and websites/apps in the form of a tutorial. Watch the tutorial till the end. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, link in the description box. Subscribe to my channel and watch the video till the end for the whole information. Thanks. Let's start the video.
About Dear Moon mission. Yosaka Miyazawa, a Japanese billionaire, conceived and funded the Dear Moon project, a lunar tourism mission and an art project. It would use a SpaceX Starship on a private spaceflight around the moon on a single circumlunar trajectory. What is the mission of the Dear Moon crew? The first civilian mission to the moon is expected to launch no later than 2023. Elon Musk's SpaceX's Starship rocket will make a week-long trip to the moon and back. Yosaka Miyazawa, a Japanese entrepreneur, bought all of the seats on this rocket in 2018. He revealed in May that he wanted to give as many young people as possible the chance to go. In March 2021, he intends to choose 8 crew members from around the world. Specifics. To apply for a seat on the Dear Moon Starship, these. Pre-registration is the first step by March 14, 6:59 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Step 2, preliminary screening, by March 21, 6:59 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Step 3, complete the work. Step 4, conduct an online interview. Step 5, medical exam and final interview, late May 2021. It is still unknown how the 8 self-identified artists will be chosen to travel. I hope you all are really like this information. If you were interested to see the moon and travel to space, register yourself by a link in the description box. This is totally free trip to space and for all over the world people. So grab the opportunity. Good luck.